Hey ladies, welcome back to my channel. So we are back with another beautiful wig install, and today's wig is from Premium Lace Wig. This is their 100% Brazilian virgin hair, deep curly 13x4 lace front wig. I have this particular wig in 26 inches and in 150% density. And as you guys can see, she comes with these beautiful 4C curly edges that just make this wig look extremely natural, easy to blend. You don't really have to do too much to make it look natural. And hello, she's looking like she is legit my hair. This is definitely a wig that you would want to have in your collection. So let's go ahead and jump on into the video. So as y'all saw, the wig does come with a bunch of goodies. So here is the wig here. Once again, this is their deep curly wig. It is 100% Brazilian virgin hair, 26 inches, a 13x4 lace front, and 150% density. The inside of the wig does have 4 combs and of course the adjustable strap. That way you can have a nice glueless wig install. So I'm gonna give you guys a lot of close-ups regarding the inside of the wig, etc. You guys know I like to give you guys all the details. But once I finish doing that, the first thing I'm going to do is comb those baby hairs back, because we really want it to blend in with the rest of the hair. You don't want to just leave them looking bulky like that. That's not cute. So go ahead, take your comb and comb the baby hairs back. If you don't trust yourself, or if you're a little worried you might be a little heavy-handed, then I would suggest adding some mousse and just using like an edge brush or something like that. Just make sure that it's looking a whole lot more natural and blend it in with the rest of the hair on the unit, okay? Next, you want to go ahead and add some makeup all over that lace. That way that lace blends in with your skin color. Adjust that adjustable strap to your preference and then go ahead and throw the wig on. Now I normally say this in every video, but just so you guys know, I do like to use the combs inside of the wig. It just helps the lace to lay a lot more flatter and just kind of gives me a better look in my personal opinion. But the combs are completely optional. You still have that adjustable strap. I even went in and tightened her just a little bit more as well. So just so you guys know, I did not do any plucking of this lace. I also did not bleach the knots. I didn't even wash her, okay? She is straight out the box. So as you guys can see, I'm kind of just taking a look at the front. So I'm like, okay, do I need to do any plucking? Like, is there anything extra that I have to do? And I didn't really feel like I needed to. We're definitely going to comb back those baby hairs a little bit more, but you guys will see the end result. Trust me, it was quick and painless, all right? So right now, I'm just cutting off all that additional lace that we do not need. Once I'm secure with how the lace is looking and I'm satisfied, then I'm going to use some melting spray and I'm going to secure her down. I went in with about like 2 rounds of melting spray. I waited until it got tacky and then I just laid the lace down, and of course I'm going to give you guys some close-ups as well. So as you guys can see, I'm just tapping this lace into place. I really want to make sure that she is melted, even though those edges are covering everything up. Now where I'm pointing to, those are my natural edges, and you guys see like where the edges on the wig starts. You cannot even tell that I am wearing a wig. Like, this is absolutely insane. And the lace is really good, being that I did not have to do any bleaching or anything like that. She melted right on in, which I was definitely happy about. So I went ahead and I used my elastic band to finish the melting process. I left it on for about 10 minutes, and then when I took it off, this was the end result. You guys, super blended. You cannot even tell I'm wearing a wig, and that's one thing that I love about the 4C edges on this particular wig unit. Like, she just blends right in. If there is any lace showing, she covers it up. Like, you literally cannot see anything. If there was any spots where the lace was showing, I did just add a little bit more foundation to make sure that it is blended in with my skin color. And then I also just finesse the edges just to make sure everything is covered and looking completely natural. Alright, install is completely finished, you guys. We're gonna go ahead and move right on into styling. How quick and easy was that? I'm telling you, these 4C edges just make life a whole lot easier. And the lace as well. The lace was super thin and super HD, like she blended right on in. Now you guys know I normally do like to stick with a middle part when it comes to curly units, but this particular curly unit was not too much. Like, she looked super full, but she was literally only 150% density, and she was very lightweight as well, and I really wanted to show off those edges. So I was like, you know what, we're gonna stick with the side part today. So to mold my part into shape and make sure everything is staying still, I did use my wax stick and my hot comb, of course. Please be careful. Do not use the hot comb through the curls. You do not want to damage the curls. Just go in at the very top. And then, of course, I used a lighter foundation in the part area just to really mimic my scalp. Okay, she is looking really good. So now it is time to refresh these curls. I mean, you can leave it like this if you prefer to, but you guys see how some parts are super frizzy because of me rubbing my fingers through it. So we're gonna fix that. So I did one side off camera, and I'm gonna show you guys how quick and easy I did that right here on the other side. Now, being that this is a deep curly wig, you probably would expect for you to have to go section by section, but you guys, I did not have to do that with this unit. The texture of this unit was very silky and it was very soft. I know she looks a lot more fuller on camera, she looks a lot more fuller in person, but to the touch, like, she was just so easy to work with. I didn't have any shedding, no tangling. I did not have to go section by section. I just sprayed the hair until every strand was saturated, and I even went in with my Denman brush, and you guys will see how easy it was for me to just brush right on through the hair, and I was so happy about that because I'm like, yes, I don't have to sit here for like another 30 minutes going section by section and trying to recreate the curls. Who wants to do all that? I don't. So to set the curls in place, I did use just a little bit of gel, and I just went in with my fingers and just combed it right on through the hair, and it was perfect. Alright, you guys, and we are officially finished. Now, this is how the hair looks while it was wet, and I'm just going to tell you guys that when it dried, it looked just as pretty. You know how sometimes when hair dries, it looks like it shrinks up, etc.? This unit did not do that. This is the hair 100% dry, and she looks just as good. So yeah, I was happy with it. The edges hitting, the lace hitting, the quality of the hair hitting, okay? 10 out of 10. I love this wig. Make sure you guys check out my description box down below. All of the wig details as well as the direct link to this particular unit will be listed there as well. If you're ever curious as to which products I use, check out my Amazon storefront link. That will be listed in my description box also. But I hope you guys saw how quick and easy and painless it was for me to install this unit. So for all my beginners out there, if you were looking for a 4C edges curly wig, this might be the one you want to go for. Thank you guys so much for tuning in, and I will see you next time.